Alright, be honest. Have you ever stared at your code for hours, wondering if you're just not smart enough for programming? Or maybe you've watched tutorial after tutorial, but the second you try to code on your own, total brain freeze. Yeah, I have been there. We all have been there. But here is the deal. Programming isn't about being a genius. It's about knowing how to learn effectively. And I've got a 10-minute daily routine that's gonna change the game for you. It's simple, it's fun, and actually works, so let's go. Okay, real talk, why do so many people struggle with coding? It's not because they're dumb, it's because they learn in a way that's kinda broken. Here is a typical learning cycle. Watch a tutorial, feel smart for 10 minutes, try coding, and panic. Give up, watch another tutorial. Sound familiar? Yeah, it's the endless loop of tutorial hell. And if you want to escape, you need consistent, structured practice, even if it's just for 10 minutes a day. Here is how you do it. Every day, just spend 10 minutes doing these 4 steps, no more, no less. Ready? Step 1. Learn one tiny concept. Pick one small thing, just one. Maybe it's loops, maybe it's functions, maybe it's why does JavaScript hate me? Whatever it is, spend 2 minutes reading a quick article, watching a short video, or even skimming documentation. Not a 5-hour tutorial, keep it simple. Step 2. Write 3 code examples. Now, take that concept and write 3 mini examples. If you learned about loops, write a loop that counts to 10, then one that counts backwards, then one that prints I love coffee 100 times. Simple, quick, done. This locks the idea into your brain. Step 3. Debug or expand. Now let's break stuff. Take your code example and mess them up. What happens if you delete a semicolon? What if you change a number? What if you add a bug on purpose and try to fix it? This part is where you actually learn. The best coders aren't the ones who never make mistakes. They are the ones who know how to fix them. Step 4. Write down one question. Before you stop, write one question about what you just learned. Maybe something confused you. Maybe you want to go deeper. Doesn't matter. Just write it down. That way, tomorrow's practice starts with something to solve. Repeat this every day and soon you will notice something wild. Coding actually gets easier. Every skill in the world, sports, music, even gaming, gets better with daily practice, not cramming. Coding is the same. This routine is small enough to do every day but powerful enough to keep you improving. And the best part, you will never feel overwhelmed. Just 10 minutes, that's it. So here is my challenge to you. Try this for 1 week, just 7 days. If it doesn't help, come back and roast me in the comments. But if it does work, well, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe for more, and hey, if this video saved you from tutorial hell, maybe buy us a coffee so we can make more videos that save more people. Link is in the description. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next one.